Take the chance between day 1 and day 2 of PI planning to make something social. This advice is from Nico Kaintansis in 5 Things I Wish I'd Known Before My First PI Planning. I can highly recommend to watch the whole episode, so click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any more time and see what's behind the 17th wicket.
Oh, capacity allocation. Capacity allocation is therefore extremely valuable because it gives everyone in the art an immediate sense of how much is being invested in the various areas. Does it keep the balance or not? And if not, at least the right questions can be asked.